What about this whole thing about pulling the plug on Grandma? You heard Senator Grassley talk about that, and Senator Grassley said this morning, and we should add that he is a very key person on if there is going to be a bipartisan approach, because he's the ranking Republican on the Finance Committee. He said this morning that, yes, in fact, this bill would not pull the plug on Grandma, but he said a lot of people thought it would, and that's why he said we can't let anybody pull the plug on Grandma. Where did all this come from?
Well, it came from the far-right talk shows and so forth and so on. But the irony of all this is my understanding is something very similar to what they're talking about is already law in Medicare, and Senator Grassley, when he was in the majority, supported that law, which is end-of-life counseling. That is the law for Medicare. That's permitted under Medicare. It's not mandatory, but it's permitted. And it's also one of the issues that seniors care the most about. They want end-of-life counseling. How you can morph end-of-life counseling into... So all the House did was essentially repeat the same thing that Senator Grassley voted for in 2003 in their bill. Now, how you can morph that into pulling the plug on Grandma, I don't know. I think it's despicable. I think it's awful that the lies that have come out on this bill that just designed to frighten the daylights out of people. But I think the American people is much smarter than politicians in Washington give them credit for, and they're going to figure this out, and they know that they really do want health care reform.
All right.